Aura frames are digital picture frames designed to display your favorite photos and videos in a sleek, modern format. These frames excel at visual presentation, allowing you to showcase photos and videos with crisp, clear displays that enhance any room's decor. However, Aura frames have important sound limitations. They do not support audio playback for videos, meaning you won't hear any sound from the frame itself. The frames are designed purely for visual presentation, with no notification sounds or audio alerts of any kind. You can manage your Aura frame through the companion mobile app, which allows you to add photos, organize content, and keep your frame's software updated with the latest features. Since Aura frames don't natively support audio playback, you'll need creative workarounds to enjoy videos with sound. Here are the most effective methods to work around this limitation. The first workaround is to use your smartphone or tablet as an audio companion. Play the video on your mobile device while the corresponding photo or video displays on your Aura frame. This creates a synchronized viewing experience with both visual and audio elements. The second method involves casting your video content to a smart TV or streaming device that has built-in speakers. This allows you to enjoy the full multimedia experience on a larger screen with proper audio while your Aura frame continues to display photos in the background. Looking toward the future, Aura frame may eventually add audio support through software updates. While there's no official timeline for this feature, the company continues to release new capabilities and improvements to their digital frames. To stay informed about potential audio features and other updates, regularly check Aura Frame's official website and mobile app. The company announces new features and capabilities through these channels, so you'll be the first to know when audio support becomes available.